me, Stacy. You are the best wife and mom in the world.
Wow.
It was November 14th of 2025 that James suffered a stroke. He had it was one morning. He was generally healthy. We woke up and his laugh. I missed that laugh. They knew that I needed them, and they stepped up in ways that I never thought they could.
Yeah. I can just tell how proud that must be.
Oh, I did, look it.
Yeah.
Yep, he's good. He's good. You know, everything.
Yeah. Stacy. James, we've built something especially for you. So if you want to give it a go and try it out.
Could you repeat that?
Oh, what the hell is this? Man.
This is gonna help me.
Oh, wow.
I got my voice back.
Oh, man. This is a good business, man. Everything. Everything.
I love you and appreciate you all so much. I'm so proud of you, Rocco. And you, Ella. You mean so much to me. Stacy, you are the best wife in the world.
Can you put like an exclamation point that makes like emphasize it, or?
I don't know what to say. Speak.
I love you all with all my heart.
Wow.
This
Cool.
is so cool. I'm telling you, we needed
Wow.
these emojis. These pictures, look at me.
James, how does that make you feel to hear that?
I love you and appreciate you all so much. I'm so proud of you,
I
Rocco.
can't even believe it.
You mean so much to me. Stacy, you are the best wife and mom in the world.